Good day, everyone. In this video, we're going to demonstrate the search and rescue operations using the system we created. Our thesis is entitled Drone-Based Search and Rescue Using Raspberry Pi. First, we will run the application. After running the application, the drone will take off and search the area for a person to be rescued. If there's a person identified, it will send an alert directly to Telegram. The alert will be composed of an image of the person detected, the precise coordinates, the generalized address of the area, and the detection time. Then this information will be forwarded to the rescuers located around the area. In this part, you will check if the coordinates are accurate by copying and pasting it on the Google Maps.
As you can see here, it is accurate. This is the coordinates that we pasted on the Google Map right here. Then this is the live camera feed that the system detected, and this is the live map view. The green mark represents the location where the person got detected, and the red one represents the drone's location at the moment. Now we will test the object detection accuracy to distance. This is the 1 meter view of the camera. Next is the 3 meters view of the camera. Next is the 5 meters view of the camera. And lastly, the 10 meters view of the camera.